If Photoshop is showing the error JPEG marker missing, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you a few fast and reliable ways to fix it. This is a common problem when a JPEG file is slightly corrupted, has incomplete data, or was saved in a way that Photoshop doesn't like. The good news is that in many cases you can still recover the image and open it normally again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Let's start with the best fix first. Open the image using another app and resave it. On Windows, you can try the Photos app, Paint, or any simple image viewer that can open the file. Once the image opens successfully, go to Save As and choose JPEG. Save the file with a new name so you keep the original as a backup. Then, open this newly saved JPEG in Photoshop. What this does is rebuild the image file structure, including the missing markers that Photoshop needs. In a lot of cases, this is the easiest way to repair the file without using any advanced tools. If that doesn't work, try a quick recovery trick using your web browser. Drag the image file directly into Chrome or Edge. Browsers are often more forgiving than desktop editing apps, so if the image loads there, you may be able to recover it. Once it appears in the browser, right-click on the image and choose Save Image As. Then save the new copy to your computer and try opening that saved version in Photoshop. This method can sometimes strip out the damaged parts enough to make the file usable again. Now, if you want another simple workaround, use an online editor like Photopea. Open Photopea in your browser and load the broken JPEG file. If Photopea opens it successfully, export it as a new JPG or PSD file. This can take just a couple of minutes and is a very handy way to recover images when Photoshop refuses to open them. It's especially useful if you need a fast solution and don't want to install extra software. If none of these methods work, the file may be too damaged to repair completely, but these steps will solve the issue in many cases, especially when the problem is only with the JPEG markers and not the entire image. The key is to reopen the file in a more tolerant app, resave it cleanly, and then bring that fresh copy back into Photoshop. So to recap, first try opening and resaving the image with Windows Photos, Paint, or another viewer. Second, try opening it in Chrome or Edge and saving a fresh copy. Third, use Photopea to export a repaired version online. These are the quickest ways to deal with the Photoshop JPEG marker missing error and get back to editing. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Photoshop troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.